Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your UCO Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in ucobank.com and click on enter. Now you'll be directed to official homepage of UCO Bank. Now hover your mouse to a digital option here and then find internet banking on these options, which is right here, and click on more. After that, you can click on login button here. Now click on OK. Now a new window will appear where you can see a net banking login option here at the left hand side. Hover your mouse to it and choose which account you want to get logged in, either it's retail or an corporate account. After that, you will need to type in a user ID here. You can check this box if you want to save a user ID on this website. Now you need to type in your CAPTCHA by taking reference of this image. If this image is too hard for you to understand, click on this button and it will be regenerated. Now click on login button here. After that, you will need to type in a password here. You can also click on this virtual screen keyboard to type your password. Now click on login button to log into your UCO Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.